Hi, I'm Michel Haesendonckx, part of the Global Solution Management Organization at SAP, focusing on finance and risk. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the key innovations delivered with SAP S/4HANA Cloud 2208 and S/4HANA 2022, and why. Especially during the last few years, we have all witnessed that change is a constant in the world we live in. Particularly for finance professionals, this means they play a key role in transforming their business in a financially viable and risk-adjusted way, ensuring complete transparency and optimization in how and where value is created through their global supply chain, while keeping a close look at tax and trade regulations, while also putting everything in the perspective of the sustainability outcomes that are set out by their organization. With the latest S/4HANA release, we have added an extensive list of key innovations to support finance professionals in addressing these challenges. Let's have a brief look at all finance relevant processes as a starting point for our overview. While we cannot possibly address each innovation delivered across the different processes shown for our different SAP S/4HANA deployment options, we'll focus on some which we believe are key. For more details on specific capabilities and how to benefit from them, we have added a series of update videos to which we refer in the notes to this video. Let me start with the area of financial planning and analysis, where focus is on enabling group-wide business steering in the best possible way, leveraging the combination of the power of SAP S/4HANA Cloud and SAP Analytics Cloud, through increased integration on the level of consolidated planning, which particularly looks at the touch points between SAC planning and S/4HANA for group reporting, as well as the integration of predictive analytics delivered with SAP Analytics Cloud and predictive accounting, which sits in the core S/4HANA environment. As agility is key, not only in the way we plan and simulate, but also in terms of enabling a fast time to value of a solution, we also heavily invested in extending our pre-delivered planning and simulation content. Not only by adding additional processes and connecting financial planning to sales planning on top of the supply chain and workforce content integration, which was already available before, but also by leveraging applied prediction, resulting in, amongst others, an out-of-the-box predictive liquidity forecast. As we are leveraging the smart prediction capabilities delivered, this also comes with the advantage of allowing finance users to get insights and influence the way the predictive model works. Across the FP&A and record to report process, we find a second very fundamental innovation of SAP S/4HANA Cloud: the ledger-based approach to deal with multiple accounting principles, not only harmonizing the way we deal with multiple valuation views across different areas like inventory accounting, assets, and so on, but enabling a more timely and increased transparency in your global value chain. A specific video dealing with this innovation, known as Universal Parallel Accounting, is available. Moving on with the record to report process, Universal Parallel Accounting is one of the key pieces in the evolution towards autonomous event-based processing. In conjunction with the introduction of event-based processing and linked to this, the support of event-based revenue recognition for more and more business scenarios, making, amongst others, the financial closing process more event-based and ultimately touchless, also has driven the delivery of additional intelligent automation cases, both on entity as well as group level, and both for standalone as well as central finance setups. Examples include augmented posting rules to automate consolidation of investments on one end, but also central accruals management, enhanced RPA error resolution. Flexible extensibility of the underlying business foundation, our single financial truth, also adds to increased process efficiency. One example I'd like to mention is the inclusion of the consolidation unit master data into the group ledger, delivering on-the-fly consolidation capabilities without the need for data movements. Linking SAP's powerful business foundation back to the business transformation we started from at the start of this video brings up a requirement many companies share: the need to manage organizational change. Providing profit center reorganization is an important innovation in dealing with the organizational flexibility. This comes in addition to global hierarchies that include time dependency features which have been around since a while already. Delivering the single financial truth to the end user can be done in different forms. There's been a lot of focus on analysis flexibility, making use of both the embedded analytical capabilities in S/4HANA Cloud as well as SAP Analytics Cloud. But the need to guide casual users along a progressive analysis path in interactively providing answers to predefined business questions has led to what we call review booklets. Initially delivered within the context of group reporting, but planned to be rolled out to support sales accountants in performing margin analysis as well. Shifting our focus to the area of financial operations and the optimization of your working capital, we get to the innovations delivered in the area of payables, receivables, and treasury management. A significant evolution impacting especially receivables and the closely related area of payment management and bank communication is the rise of subscription and service-based business models. Many innovations are added in managing receivables from a subscription perspective, which we refer to as contract accounting at SAP. From managing the contract lifecycle up to installment plans and managing disputes for convergent invoicing. To better support the credit controller, not only did we add new payment behavior key figures, but also introduced simulation capabilities. With the aim to enhance payment factory efficiency, we have added cloud-based in-house banking as an integral part of our advanced payment management capacity, allowing you to create an internal bank on corporate level. Within this internal bank, subsidiaries that are part of the group can open or maintain internal bank accounts. From the subsidiary perspective, these accounts are house bank accounts and can be used in the same way as the external house bank accounts. This allows you to settle intercompany payments without using cash, save bank connectivity and handling costs, and monitor all payments centrally. In trying to optimize the working capital situation beyond even further, also from the payable side, let me refer to the Thalia solution portfolio, which is fully complementary to SAP S/4HANA Cloud, and which is highly specialized in managing payables financing, early payment with dynamic discounting, and more, using own cash or through the Thalia network. When starting this overview, we first moved into the steering and insights area, moving on to link this to process efficiency improvements delivered with S/4HANA Cloud. Now let's focus on how to assure the value which is created for your company is protected. Or in other words, risk management and compliance. Rather than managing compliance, including tax and international trade standalone, our view is to embed these into the operational process, enabling scalable and traceable trade, tax, and compliance to respond fast to rapidly emerging mandates. That's where innovations like flexible master data transfer to SAP Global Trade Services on the trade side, but also tax-related controls with financial compliance management come into play. On top, the ability to trace manual adjustments for withholding tax items, automated certificates, registration for indirect taxation abroad are just some of the indirect tax-specific innovations. These and other innovations in the space of tax and international trade is an important area for SAP to enable organizations across the world to address the continuously evolving requirements. With the evolution of document and reporting compliance, previously known as advanced compliance reporting, providing electronic output enhancements, but also expanding in the area of subscription businesses, broader legal reporting matters are addressed. Document and reporting compliance, combined with the evolution of the core S/4 environment and financial compliance management, have an important role from the compliance side to sustainability. Double-clicking on financial compliance management, we not only extended baseline content to be used out of the box, but also invested in tasks and task list templates, including workflow-based follow-up actions to enable organizations to move from a sole reporting and monitoring and risk compliance approach towards actionability. This also applies to the area of privacy governance, by introducing risk response planning to reduce the probability or the impact of potential risks. Providing risk-adjusted management not only serves an integrated audit, compliance, and risk approach, but embeds risks into the core decision-making process as well. This can nicely be illustrated by looking at the available integrated digital boardroom. As you can see, these and other innovations delivered with SAP S/4HANA Cloud Public Edition 2208 and S/4HANA Cloud Private Edition 2022 are instrumental to empower CFOs and their team by delivering through our modular business steering platform, combining analytics, prediction, and risk, enabling reimagined processes, leveraging intelligent technologies, supporting industries' agile transformation of their go-to-market and their supply chain based on a unique business foundation, sustainably and resiliently thanks to the cloud. We hope you'll enjoy the additional deep dives into our innovations provided in a series of additional topic-specific update videos. With this final thought, the only thing which is left is to thank you for your attention.